Cause I want to run away. I want to run away. I was only trying to run away. I was only trying to run away. Tap on the shoes, on the girls, yeah. It's all you. Trap on the cool, on the girl, in the cool, yeah. Yeah, I got big boy moves. Who are you?
It's cheesy, magic fingers. This one. Hey guys, good morning. I'm listening to this I listen to Osby Berry every single day. Come and ask share sleep. This is like a ritual. Like listening to him is a ritual. His voice is so. My nail just broke, so I have to fix it back. Right now, I'm about to do my makeup. First of all, I don't do my makeup every day to class. I barely even wear makeup to class, to school rather. But then today is the first day of school and I don't know, I just feel like doing my makeup. So for my wig, this is the wig I told you guys about in my top 5 Aliexpress companies. This is a closure wig and it is from Riverwood hair. This is what it looks like. It's a deep wave closure wig. I made this wig myself and I used 3.5 bundles and a closure. Now you guys, I love this wig so much. You really don't need to put any form of glue or any of that to this wig, except like you want some extra security, but then you really don't need to do all of that. First of all, I didn't really go in depth into like what I do in the morning because I already have my morning routine. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it somewhere here. This is not a makeup tutorial, so I'm just going to go ahead and do my makeup and then I'm leaving for school.
The bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. That use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You beg me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You beg me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you.
Hi guys, so I'm done. This is basically all I do. I was talking to my sister, she's calling again. Anyway, let me just like round this thing up. This is it. I'm going to school now. It's about, okay, I don't have a watch, but then it's about 7:45. My class is by 8:30, so I have to go and get on the tram and do all of that.
Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. What are you doing here? Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. You beg me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You beg me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm
I don't even know how I feel about it, honestly. I just allowed. So today is basically for like registration and all of that. But then I have all my classes today. No class was exempted. So right now I'm just going to take you guys with me to my class. I don't know if we're supposed to have class before the registration or registration before class or what. I don't even know. Anyway, I just have my file here. This is like for my police report and all of that. Oh shit, I'm supposed to go that way. I don't even know. I was vlogging and got carried away. This is for like my police reports, my passports, ID card, all those things. And then here I have my gym clothes with me because I'm going to the gym after class. And yeah, the shortcut I would have normally follow when I come from home.
I think when you know this one, if all of you want to buy it, maybe I will count the number how many students want it, and I call it again. We have
Yeah, because we're self-trained.
现在交钱的话交给Kyola，因为我不确定你会不会经常来看，那你就不负责了。那还有坤你来负责，你过来，因为他有事。OK， 谢谢啊。I have calculators and everything. And you know it, you studied very hard. So I give you a very high of your attendance. So 你们比如说 for example more than 60, but I'm sorry, you can't pass. You are failed. 有多少人没来？课有啦。
有。
今天摸你母。路百微微。先用汉语说啊，用汉语说。
你们可以用一个买港票，然后。
美团，什么叫美团啊？
OK。 一个一周后，
没有，对，一周后。
我和那个朋友交对象 together later it developed into a relationship, but this person goes to another university, 理工大学。OK。
很奇妙啊，很好。还有吗？
然后他也让我的 OK， which before I thought was very disgusting because it has so much fat, but we went to like a barbecue restaurant.
So I'm done with my first class. Actually didn't have any class at all. We were just meant to tell her how we spent our holiday. Yeah, that was all we did. Basically just told her how we spent our holiday. And done with one of my class. I'm going for the second class.